Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this makeup look. This is a smoky peach cut crease eye makeup look. Since I have hooded eyes, so I've explained in detail how I cut the crease on my eyes. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Thank you.
I have already done my foundation and my brows and would be jumping straight into the eye makeup. For priming my eyelids, I am taking the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base and I would be applying it on my entire eyelid and then would be blending it with the help of a damn beauty blender. Next, for setting it, I will be taking the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Compact and then using the same damn beauty blender, I would be setting the primer. For eyeshadow, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals eyeshadow palette, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I am taking the shade Neutral and then applying it on my crease area. This would be my transition shade. Since I have hooded eyes, so I will be applying it a tad bit higher than my actual crease area. Otherwise, it would get hidden behind the hood. Next, with the taper blending brush, I will be taking the shade Trend and then applying it a bit lower than where I have applied my transition shade. This would help in deepening the crease a bit and give more definition to it. With the help of the same fluffy blending brush, I would be blending both the colors together so that no any harsh lines are remaining and everything seems very blended and seamless. Next, taking the shade Strong with the small blending brush, I will be applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. While doing so, I will be keeping in mind that I am taking a very small amount in the brush and then packing it on the outer corner, and slowly and steadily I'm building up the intensity. I'm doing this to provide some smokiness on the outer corner and then blending it with the transition and the crease shade so that very beautiful and a smooth transition is achieved from dark to light. Also, I am blending the colors on the inner corner of the eye so that a good transition is achieved between the lid space color and the cut crease color. Otherwise, there won't be any clear demarcation. Next, with the flat concealer brush, I am cutting the crease. I'm taking the Elegant Pro Coverage Concealer and the arrow shows you the hood, which is a small layer of skin that conceals the lid area. This forms a hood, and if you apply the concealer directly on the crease, then the crease won't be visible, hence I applied the concealer a bit above the hood area. Since it's a half cut crease, so I am going midway on the lid space, and after drawing the outer border of the crease, I am applying the concealer on the entire lid space so that a clean canvas is achieved where I can apply my next eyeshadow. And next, with a small pencil brush, I am defining the outer border of my crease. As I told you earlier, I want a good transition. And next, I will be taking the shade Personal with a flat shader brush and applying it all over the area where I've cut the crease and applied the concealer. This is a very beautiful peach shade with a hint of shimmer in it, and it forms a really good contrast with the other colors that I have applied on my eyelid. Next, taking the same pencil brush, I'm again deepening the outer body. As I told earlier, I want a good transition, and next with the small blending brush, I'm blending both the colors together so that everything seems well blended. In the Faces Magnetized eyeliner, I am defining the upper lash line, lining my eyes and forming a small wing on the outer corner of my eyes. And for mascara, I am using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara and applying it on the upper lashes. Before doing my lower lashes, I will be applying my concealer. For the concealer, I am using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm blending it with the help of my Same Damn Beauty blender. And for brightening up my under eyes, I am taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. For setting it, I am taking the same Lakme 925 Compact and applying it with the help of the Beauty blender. And setting my whole face as well. Taking the same shade Trend, I am applying it on the lower lid space with the help of the tapered blending brush. Next, I will be taking the shade Strong, and with the help of a flat shader brush, I will be applying it on the outer corner of my lower lid space, and would be joining both the colors on the upper and the lower lid together, and will be blending it with the shade Trend on the lower lid space as well. Next, I will be taking the shade Personal, and with the pencils brush, I will be applying it on the inner part of my lower lid. And for highlighting the inner corners, I will be taking the shade Partial, and I will be applying with the help of the same pencil brush. I will be using the same shade to highlight my brows. Taking the Pat Kohl pencil, I will be tight lining my lower waterline. And would be doing the rest of the face makeup and also my falsies behind the camera. I concentrated the video mostly on the eye makeup, and I hope you enjoyed watching this eye makeup tutorial, and if you liked it, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new makeup tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, bye bye.